Let us draw this machine component. So the first thing what you are going to do, you have to draw the center line. You have to go to the line command. If ortho is off, you have to on ortho mode, and you have to draw this center line. After drawing the center line, next what you are going to do, this is given the inner circle with diameter of 26 units, millimeter units, and the outer circle, this one, with diameter of 90 units. So the first thing what we are going to do, we have to draw these two circles. So go to circle command and go to diameter and hold it at the center here. And the first thing you have to use 26 units diameter. All diameters are in millimeters, so you have to use millimeter as your units. Then next, the outer circle with a diameter of 90 units. Go to circle diameter again. You have to hold it at the center and you have to go for 90 units diameter. So after finishing these two circles, next what you are going to do, you have to visualize these three things. The first one with radius of 64 units, there is another curve here as is shown. And the next curve is with radius of 80 units, the middle one. And the outer one, then after just the other one, you can go here and visualize here. Just an example with radius of 108 units. So let us go for first for this one, radius of 64 units. Let us draw one curve. So go to circle, radius, hold it at the center here, and 64 units, right? Then after finishing this one, there is another curve with radius of 80 units. So circle radius and go another, I have to go for this one, 80 units, right? After finishing this one, what you are going to do, you have to draw these lines. These lines, as shown here, are with 30 degrees of inclination. That means if this one is 30 from the vertical, that means the outer one, this one is 60 units, 60 degrees. So we have to draw a line command, hold it at the center, and ortho off now to move your line flexibly, just like this. And what you are going to do, shift and add, right? Draw right add first. Then after add, you have to give the dimension, like this example, this one, maximum diameter, it is just like 77. We can make it just like 83 units. Then 83, then less than symbol, and you have to give the degree, like degrees, 60 degree units. So as this shown, this one is 60 degree. Then you have to offset this degree to the other side, I mean mirror. So go to mirror command, click this line, enter, and you have to give it the center, which center you are going to use to mirror this line. This is your center. Then no, to keep both of the lines. Then next what you are going to do, just if you check this dimension with radius, right, this radius, you can check this one, it is 80 units. And if you go for this one, it is just like 64 units. So as this shown here, this one is 80. As the end of 80 intersection point of this, let us trim this one, this one. You can trim this one also. As this shown here, at this intersection point, this is the intersection point between the 80 unit curve and this line, this inclined line, 30 units line. So at this point, you have to draw a semicircle with radius of 16 units. So go to circle and hold it here at 80 units. Then 16, you have to use 16 to draw this one. And you can go click here and just copy it, hold it here and move it here. So now we draw these two curves. And next what you are going to do, you can offset this one. You can offset this line. This line means this one, this curve, just this one is 16 plus 16, 32 units. Totally this is the diameter is 16 units. So you have to go for offset command. Outer curve is with radius of 28 units. So then using this as a center, you have to draw another circle with radius of 28 units. So go to circle command and go to circle command, hold it here, and you have to use 28 units radius. Then at the same time, the same procedure, click there, copy it, hold it here, and move it here, right? So now we draw this one. And at the same time, if you go here, you see this, the most outer curve, this one with radius of 108. So you can go here and circle, hold it here at the center, and radius 108. You see that? So now we created the outer part of this curve. Then go to trim command, trim this part, and also just you can trim this part, this one, here also this one, and this region, and also this region, right? And here also you can remove this one, it's just shown here, this one as just shown here. Next, you can remove this one. You can change this one by other layer, just like this, to change to differentiate the center line with the object line. These are object lines, bold ones, and these are center lines. You can also just click this one, and you can change it into some other line style by creating layers. So these are. Next, what you are going to do, you can draw this curve. This curve is joining this circle with this part. So as just shown here, this is a dimension that is given, radius of 10 units. So you have to go for fillet command. Fillet radius, you have to give 10 units, and you have to click this part and this part. Now we created that curve, and enter again this part and this part. As just shown here, we created this curve. Then this is the part. Now if there is something missing, you can check. Yeah, so now there is nothing missing. What you are going to do, just let us trim this part. You can trim this part like this. Then you have to choose all of this part and go to mirror command, and you have to give mirror center, just like this. And no, it's just shown here, we created the part. What is left, you have to join this part with this one. To do that, you have to on this object snap mode, and you have to go for tangent. Sometimes you can deactivate them, and you have to go for tangent. You click there. Then you have to line command, you have to go there, click this one, and click this one. Like this. And at the same time, click somewhere like that, and click somewhere like this. Then as just shown here, we created the part. This is the midline, and as just shown here, this is also the center line. Then you can change this line into some other layers. It's shown here. Now the next thing, what you are going to do, just giving dimensions as you want.